This is a drone flute in our Nova series, and it's in the key of F sharp minor. And it's made out of poplar wood, and poplar it's a fascinating wood because it comes in so many different specific shades. Like it can be a complete amber wood, which is beautiful, or sometimes it has some green streaks in it, like in here. And if you see the center, it's pretty much just amber. So it has a lot of variation, and it's just nature's art. It does color what it is, and the flutes, it's not predictable. You kind of go, oh wow, that's different from the last one. Anyway, but they're all beautiful though. And it does have two mouth holes, one for the single side, for the melody side, and one for the drone side. So you can go play back and forth, single or double. And here's what it sounds like. We do record the natural sound. No sound enhancements like reverb or anything else. Exactly what it's supposed to sound like. Play a single and then as a double.